This 1-minute scalping strategy completely changed my view on trading. Although I don't trade much in this time frame, this strategy helped me easily make trades in this time frame and achieve an incredible win rate. Hello, this is the Infinity Trading Strategy channel, and I'm very happy you choose to watch this video. Now let's go to the chart and I will explain this amazing and attractive strategy to you. After you select your symbol from the symbol section and set your time frame to 1 minute, it's time to go to the indicator section and add your first indicator to the chart. For this, simply type SSL Hybrid in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now we need to make some adjustments to it. For this, we enter its settings and make the changes you see. Please pay close attention to this part. After you have made the changes, I need to tell you how you can use this indicator. Here we observe a line that keeps changing color, and I must tell you that these color changes are important for us. We use this indicator as a tool to determine the overall market direction, which help us understand what trend we are in and what opportunities we should look for. In general, if you cannot understand what trend you are in, you definitely won't be able to open the right trades and make good profits, because you might trade against the market trend. So this indicator is a very good one that we can use. In general, when the color of this indicator is red and the candles are below this line, we consider the trend to be bearish, and at these points we look for sell positions. Conversely, when the line of this indicator is green and the candles are above this line, we consider the trend to be bullish. You can consider the point where this indicator changes color as a signal for entering your trades, but you should note that this method is not very accurate for finding entry points. For example, at this point, you can see that when the color of this indicator's line changes from red to green, we can enter a buy trade here and also make a good profit. Or at this point, you can see that we can enter a sell trade with the help of the color change. However, I must tell you that this method is not accurate and has many errors that can put your balance at risk. So, I need to tell you that identifying the trend doesn't allow us to find an exact entry point for our trades. With this indicator, we can only understand where to look for what types of trades. To find entry points for trades, we need a second indicator. For this purpose, we need to go back to the Indicators tab and type MACD ADX in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now we need to make some changes to it. For this, we enter its settings and make the changes you see. Now this indicator generates signals for us that make it much easier for us to enter trades in such a way that when we see buy signals, we can enter buy trades, and when we see sell signals, we can enter sell trades and make good profits. For example, you can see that by observing this buy signal, we enter a buy trade, set our stop loss at a safe zone, and also make a very good profit. Or at this point, we observe a sell signal, we can enter a sell trade and set our stop loss at a safe zone and also make a good profit. Now that you have learned how to use these two indicators, I need to teach you how to combine them and complete this strategy. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I've created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. We start with buy orders. First, we need to make sure that we are in an uptrend and that the price is increasing. To do this, we look for points where the SSL indicator is green and the candles are above its line. Now we need to look for a buy signal at this point. Once you find it, you can choose that signal as an appropriate entry point for the trade. Let me tell you that you can first look for a buy signal and then check if this signal was generated in an uptrend. The choice is yours on which method to use. Now we should set our stop loss a bit below the last swing low. Now we can enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close in profit. For sell orders, we also need to ensure that we are in a downtrend. After that, we should look for a sell signal at these points. And when we find it, we consider that point as an appropriate entry for the trade. Now we can set our stop loss a bit above the last swing high. Now we enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, we just need to consider our risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for this trade to close in profit. Here you can see that all the conditions I mentioned for entering a buy trade are ready, so we can enter a buy trade here and make good profits. Or here you can see that all the rules I told you for entering a sell trade have been met. And here too you can enter a sell trade and make a good profit. Thank you very much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope this strategy has been useful for you and that you can use it to improve your trading performance. Don't forget that money management rules and adhering to the risk to reward ratio are very important, and you should always pay attention to this point. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave your comments for us, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Until the next video, stay successful and profitable.